is ant or sometime anti or sometime simple an. Actually, in Latin, ante mean before, and in Greek this word, this e become I, and this mean opposite. This is also sometime in front of. So in Latin and Greek this is the meaning, and sometimes the contraction is an or ant or anti, but we have to find ourselves that which one is used. Now in the first word, the anterior, now this is the sum of n t plus teros. Teros is actually, this mean leaf, or this word is used to make adjective. To make adjective. So this is suffix simple. So anterior mean the front part, the front part of the building, like we use. Now the second word is ancestor. Now this is also anti plus the verb is pseudo, or sometime its infinitive is actually pseudo mean I go, and its infinitive is sidere, that mean to go. So this is go and this is before. That means those who went before. So here, and or, this or mean the person, the noun, that means who passed away before, that means purvaj. This is ancient. Actually the ancient word, this is the word antique. Sometime because Q has the sound C, or Q has the sound C and K. So this is also in the ancient time written like antique. So this is antique means old. Now this is an antique plus ent. Ent means also one more, pseudo mean go and eo mean also go. These are Latin words, already we have discussed. So ent, that mean this ent mean also go. That mean this specific word is used for the time past. That mean this is the old. Same like antique. Ancient mean old. Now this is, here you see antique. This is antique plus airy. Now what is this airy? This is old, and this is airy mean, this is ori or sometime airy. Airy mean collection, like collection. So like always I say mortuary. Mortuary is where dead bodies are collected. So this airy is the place, and this is also hori. So it is the place in the Latin where the food is collected. So this is old and this is collection. Collection. That means either you can say collection of old thing, or ancient or antique. Antique things. Now this is antler. Now antler mean this is ant या फिर anti plus ocular. Now this is before and this is eye in Latin. So this is actually the eye, before eye or in front eye, a front eye you can say. Literal meaning is front eyes, but who has front eye? It is the deer or elk. So it is the deer or elk. Antler means because it has the horn which grow like the eyes. So antler. Now this is antenna. Now this is anti plus tanio. Tanio mean hold. Hold. Many other words also come. Tenant. Tenant or tenor also come from this. So which is hold in front. That means we actually say it is the shipyard. It is the which is hold in front of. Now antenna is used like ants has antenna. So hold in front. They have the ants has before their head like this antenna. But it was in the ancient time used for the shipyard. Shipyard. Now this is antagonist. Antagonist. So this is, here it is anti plus agon. This is Greek word. Agon mean fighter. So agonist mean fighter or sometime it is like we say the first hero or first doer. So it is the front hero you can say, or the front doer. Front doer. Or in books it is also first hero. In the story it is first hero. It's same like if we say deuteragonist, this means deuter is the second hero. So deuteragonist means second hero. So it is the front doer or the first hero. Now this is antidote. Anti mean against and dot is given. That means here it is the counter remedy. Counter or remedy to counter the poison. Counter remedy, or we also can say normally antidote is used. Counter remedy for poison, we can say. Like snake is, if a person is bitten by snake, then the medicine is given to the person is called antidote. Antidote. So this is elk. Elk also a race of deers. Okay, some more word. Antinomial. Now this is anti mean against, and this is the word nomos, the Greek word. Nomos means law or custom. That means this means against the law. That means who challenge the law or who oppose the law. That means against the law or customs. Now anti-noise is against the noise. That means we stop the, or you can say against or against the नॉइज, और हम इसको कह सकते हैं नॉइज स्टॉपर, आप बोल सकते हो इसको। ऐसे ही यहाँ पे एंटोनिम्स है। अब यहाँ पे ये आपका एंटी प्लस ओनिम। ओनिम ग्रीक में नेम होता है, नेम। सो दिस मीन अपोजिट नेम आप कह सकते हो, अपोजिट नेम। इसी तरह से सिनोनिम होता है, इसका मतलब सेम नेम, सेम नेम। यानी आप इसको क्या, हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, इसको हम बोलते हैं पर्यायवाची। पर्यायवाची यानी जैसे हम कहते हैं ईश्वर, परमेश्वर, या फिर पानी और नीर, जैसे हम बोलते हैं पानी और नीर। तो ऐसे ही एंटोनिम्स होता है, उसमें अपोजिट होता है, जैसे पानी और आग। अब ये है एंटी नॉर्म। नॉर्म होता है स्टैंडर्ड, अगेंस्ट द स्टैंडर्ड। स्टैंडर्ड और नॉर्म और पैमाना जिसको हम बोलते हैं, अगेंस्ट द नॉर्म और स्टैंडर्ड।